Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. Today is the 12th day, over 12 days of Christmas craft, and I'm going to show you how I kind of improvise with a very narrow camera from my phone because I'm visiting in California. I don't have my camera. I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful Christmas ornament that's going to serve as a gift also. I'm going to do double crochet all around this ring, and you'll see at the end the results. Again, Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.